Ramaswamy, Senior Director and Head, Philips Health Systems. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Can you talk a little bit about what Philips Health System is all about?
In India, we have two campuses. One is the Philips Innovation Campus here in Bangalore, and the other one is the Health Systems Campus in Pune.
Okay.
The one in Bangalore is predominantly towards software development for the global market and for emerging markets, and the one in Pune is more tuned to manufacturing and certain amount of software development out there. So between the two of us, we have got a total of somewhere close to upwards of 4,200 engineers working in the healthcare, in the healthcare domain itself, catering to, I would say, predominantly the global market. And we are a big part of the global Philips software development team.
Okay. So, which are the key technologies that Philips is working around on the health tech side of it?
I think in the innovation campus at Bangalore, we work on almost all the domains that Philips is in. Be it CT, be it MR, be it X-ray, be it interventional cardiology, patient monitoring, ultrasound, healthcare informatics. We work on almost all the areas that Philips is in.
Okay. And the technologies that are being used for all these segments?
It varies. Different IoT is one of the enablers for us, I would say. Okay. But there could be multitude of other technologies that we can use.
I see. Any segments or any sectors where your solutions are being deployed or maybe being deployed at the early time?
Yeah, like
industry sectors.
If we look in the we are predominantly into the healthcare space, healthcare and wellness space, and we work very closely with hospitals in terms of setting up solutions for them, both which bring in clinical relevance and which enhance the operational efficiency and productivity of the hospitals per se. Okay. And we have got enough and more examples that we can talk about.
Okay.
One of it that comes to my mind is the consultative IntelliSpace consultative critical care. This is a hub and spoke model for management of remote ICUs. All of us know that an intensivist driven care is at least 30 to 40% better in terms of outcomes and length of reduction in length of stay and outcomes of clinical outcomes of patients as compared to what is run by a general practitioner or by an anesthetist. And here we have systems by which you can transmit live data from the machines at the remote side onto the central command center which is there in the hub, so that the intensivist is able to see a number of scopes, stratify the patient, do a sort of a stratification of the patients, attend to the patient who need the most, and then sort of dispense care accordingly, which otherwise it would be impossible for you to go and find an intensivist in a rural setting. So by doing so, you are using the capability where it is available and moving it to a point where the capability is actually needed, and at the same time driving down the cost, because all of us know that that a ICU bed in a tier 2 or a tier 3 city is at least 5 times less expensive than what it is there in a metro. Plus the hassle of the entire family relocating itself to the city, and the logistics and the transportation and the cost thereof. So in that sense, I think by having this hub and spoke model, we are able to dispense care. And not only that, we have systems, IoT systems by which the doctor, even when he is on the move, is able to track the patient in terms of live data, in terms of the waveforms, in terms of how the patient is actually doing, and if necessary also get into a video call with the nurse on the far end to see how the patient is actually, what the patient is actually going through. And then you have got algorithms which basically stratify the risks and also warn you of impending trauma if the patient is going to experience any of those. So you are able to take interventions well before the event actually happens, and by which, and these sort of systems are involved and we already have it deployed in India.
What according to you are the key challenges in the health sector in India, and how is Philips trying to overcome them?
I think cost, quality and access are the three areas that would be of top concern to me. So telemedicine and telediagnostics is one way by which you can overcome this. The second thing is to build in a certain amount of intelligence into the system itself. If you recall Professor Srinath Reddy talking about systems that are easy to use but can't be misused. What you're basically doing, saying is how can I okay the system so that even if I want to abuse it, I'm not in a position to do so. I think that's what we try and build into the system, so that depending upon the use case and depending upon the capability of the operator who actually uses it, it gives them the convenience that is needed.
So wait, one last question, Mr. Ravi. Where do we see Philips, let's say, 2 to 5 years from now?
I think Philips is going to be an active player in AI, and we are now trying to see if we can, in addition to the products what we have, how do we build solutions that address certain critical needs and areas of concern that the caregiver might have. So what we really want to do is to use multimodality capabilities, work with the clinicians in trying to solve their problems of the future, and try and see how we can enhance the outcome of the patients at the same time drive costs down.
Thank you so much for all the best.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.